Oh, it brings out a gamut of emotions. First, of course, there is the enormous pride that you feel hearing the anthem. There is the feeling of joy, there's a feeling of euphoria, and there's just a sense of oneness with everybody around you who's standing up and singing the national anthem.
The national anthem mean to me a lot because whenever I was playing for my country, a national anthem was sung not only in India, whenever we used to win the tournaments or something like that.
Every kind of a version of Jana Gana Mana gives me a goosebump personally. You have all your hair standing after it's sung, and after we sing it, it's just a great feeling to listen to it every time.
I think it's definitely a proud feeling, and I've been, since I've been playing football, and national anthem is something which I've always sang during the time whenever India played. So it's something I always felt proud to sing because at the same time I was representing India as well.
जो हमारा राष्ट्रीय गान है उसका बहुत महत्व एक खिलाड़ी की ज़िंदगी में भी होता है। मेरे तो है ही है, क्योंकि मैं देश के लिए खेलता हूं, तो मुझे एक जिम्मेवारी हो जाती है कि नेशनल एंथम हमारी बार बार बजे, ओलंपिक में बजे, एशियन गेम्स में बजे, कॉमनवेल्थ में बजे, और मैं मानता हूं कि हमारे सभी देशवासियों के दिल में ये होनी चाहिए।
Really, I mean, the national anthem itself, normally gives us goosebumps, no matter where you hear it. So I think it's always special.
I think it's something that is so emotionally connected to all of us. It's something that's probably one of the first things that we learn as children, and it's always special as an athlete to hear the national anthem, to sing the national anthem every time you win a medal, you win a trophy. And for me, it's a complete emotional connect, and I'm very proud to say that that was one of the first things that I ever learned in school.
I saw a lot of actors coming together, great musicians coming together, our armed forces coming together, and each time national anthem is sung, you stand and you sing along, and it never fails to give you goosebumps. But it goes to a different level altogether when you are playing against Pakistan in 2003 World Cup and standing inside the stadium in the middle of the ground with 60,000 people singing Jana Gana Mana. जब Jana Gana आप गाते हो तो आपका सर तो हमेशा ऊंचा रहता ही है, मगर जब ग्राउंड के बीच में गाते हो तो सीना भी 2 इंच और चौड़ा हो जाता है. Couple of experiences, one was that, and the other one was when we played in Mumbai 2011 World Cup finals. I can never forget that experience, the entire stadium singing Jana Gana Mana, and it still reverberates in my ears. It's the proudest feeling I've ever had in my life. We achieved so many personal goals, but when it comes to our national anthem, everything else takes the back seat.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा.
जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता,
जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 जय